Morning, all of you. Today I am going to tell few lines about vegetables. Vegetables are very healthy. It is good for our health. They are high in nutrition. They are high in nutrition. We should eat more vegetables. Green vegetables are very good for our eyes. There are so many vegetables. Their name is potato, tomato, peas, beetroot, mushroom, bitter gourd, carrot, brinjal, cabbage, radish, cauliflower. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.